Alrighty, we are rolling. We got the little Rouge Coupe ready to rock, ready to roll. Figured I'd bring it out. It's not completely finished. I had to kind of slap some stuff together to just to give her a run. But I figured it's all there, and we'd bring it over to the parking lot and give it a run, see what it's got. We might lose some pieces. My hood and my grill does not want to stay on there. It's just hot glue. And yeah, we thought we would give it a little run anyway. But yeah, we were trying to figure out names for it. You know, it's red, it's wide. You know, you got the little red ripping rod. Because I know it's gonna rip. The little Rouge Coupe is cool. Yeah, we don't have to have a name for it, but I say we get on with it. And parking lot's a couple cars here, but I'll stay away from them. And got the fuel tank zip tied in there. Got the radio zip tied in there. You got to see this one. This was the one where we flipped the body off of it. But and I actually just drove this over here down the road, up over the curb. She's a little bit of a low rider. I gotta say, it kind of scuffs everything. Notice the. I'll show you the pipe. I'll show you the crazy pipe I made for it after we run it. Let's. I'm gonna fire it up and we're gonna run it for a bit. That's a nice looking car. Front wheels do rub the front fenders just a little bit. I'm just cruising a bit, hopefully. I'm trying to. It just wants to go. That's what it wants. It wants to go. And you know me, it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Bit of chatter in the back. Yeah, I think my steering needs a little tweak. I think I'll stall behind me that time so I don't smash into any fences. What's with the chatter? We just lost some pieces. Yeah, I don't know what's with that chatter. So there you go, you got to see it run. I'm gonna pop the top so you can see the exhaust pipe. Yeah, we're just in the middle of shooting a video.
I didn't know that. I saw you taping it, I thought you just wanted to.
Check out that, the crazy pipe. The way I did the pipe. Kind of came through. It used to come around the shock. I modified it. Yeah, put this crazy bend right here. Oh, she's come loose. I didn't tighten it enough. That's why she got a little bit louder. But, yeah. The pipe is loose. And I don't got no, you know, as usual, I don't got no tools to fix it.
Yeah. So, I thought someone was trimming their hedges. I heard some noise.
Oh yeah, just interrupt while we're shooting a video. Thanks a lot. But there you have it. You get to see little Rouge, the little red ripper, ripping. We lost some parts. We'll pick them up. They're just plastic. But there you go, man. Share, like, subscribe. Sharp Customs. Peace. I'm out.